हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन. Examine the statements carefully and mark the correct answer according to the instructions given below. A is if both statements are true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. B is if both statements are true but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. C is statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. D is statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. Statements are: statement 1 is in NaCl structure, Na ion occupies octahedral holes and Cl ions occupy CCP. Statement 2 is the distance of the nearest neighbors in NaCl structure is A by 2, where A is the edge length of the cube. So in this question we have to tell the statement 1 in NaCl structure, Na occupies the octahedral holes and Cl ions occupy the CCP, and it is correct or not. And statement 2, the distance of nearest neighbor in NaCl structure is A by 2, where A is the edge length of the cube. So now let's solve this question. So for solving this question, we all know that the structure of NaCl, it is like this is cube and this is okay. So here Na is present here like this, and Cl mention here Na positive. Okay, this is Cl, 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 here, 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 here. Okay, this is Cl negative. So according to the statement 1 in NaCl structure, Na ions occupy the octahedral holes. Okay, these are the octahedral holes, and Cl ions occupy the CCP. ये क्या है? CCP, cubic center packed. Okay, so ये स्टेटमेंट तो हमारा क्या हो गया? सही हो गया, क्योंकि जो Na पॉजिटिव है वो क्या है? ऑक्टाहेड्रल होल्स को ऑक्यूपाई कर रहे हैं, और जो Cl आयंस हैं वो क्या कर रही हैं? CCP को ऑक्यूपाई कर रहे हैं, और जो हमारा Na पॉजिटिव है वो किससे सराउंडेड है? सराउंडेड by the Cl ions. Okay, now let's see the statement 2. So in this statement it says A is the edge length of the cube. Okay, so हमें क्या बताना है कि the distance of the nearest neighbor in NaCl structure is A by 2. ठीक है, तो अब अगर हम मान लें कि इसका लेंथ क्या है? A है, तो जो नियरेस्ट नेबर होगा मीन्स इसका नियरेस्ट नेबर क्या हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा. सो नियरेस्ट नेबर इसका क्या हो गया? ये हो गया. अगर हम ये वाला सोचे कि ये करें तो ये तो हो गया दूर, तो ये वाला हम काउंट करेंगे. सो क्या हो गया? ये पूरा A है, तो इसका क्या हो जाएगा? A by 2. सो डैट मीन्स जो हमारा स्टेटमेंट 2 है वो भी क्या है? करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. नाउ लेट्स सी द ऑप्शंस. सो हियर वी कैन सी दैट इफ both statements are true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1, so it is wrong because दोनों statements तो correct हैं, but जो statement 2 है हमारा वो correct explanation नहीं है. Next B, if both statements are true but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. So it is the correct answer for this question, option B. Here we can see that both statements are correct, but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. Hope you all understood the solution of this question. Thank you.